What's up YouTube, Gentry 101. So we just got done doing a deep clean steaming interior detail on this older delicate Mercedes-Benz, and I got my customer who is no filter and the toughest critic out there coming out to do a review, so stay tuned for that. Tell me what you think on how clean it is.
So clean. Can I... Is it so clean? What's this?
Did you find a dirty spot? Or no, is it really clean? Super clean.
Let me see if there's any dirt. I think I found a dirty spot.
Show me, where?
It's so, look at all the hair.
A hair? Well, maybe that came from you. Maybe it fell off of your head in there.
Oh, and there's that stuff.
Oh my goodness, show me. Where? I don't see any dirt.
Yeah.
Where's the dirt?
You can't see a hair.
Oh my goodness. You found a dirt speck?
And why you put stuff in there? That's...
So this video is a time lapse of steam cleaning and preparation leading up to the steam cleaning of the 2008 Mercedes. It is older leather, some older trim, so we do have to be really delicate, precise, you know, real gentle touches to what we're doing. What I may do is actually do a tutorial, a breakdown, step-by-step, processes that work for me that I've learned in the past, and just, you know, I guess a skill that I've developed over the past few years from doing this. So if there is interest in that, you know, make sure you drop a comment below, and I will do a full step-by-step breakdown as to what processes I'm using, how I'm using these tools, what chemicals I use, which in this case really was just a little bit of Dawn dish soap and some warm distilled water. And the reason I did that, again, because it's an older vehicle, leather can start to get a little bit delicate, the trim can start to get a little bit delicate, so it was just Dawn dish soap and some water, and of course the steamer and a leather brush. So I hope you guys enjoy this.